All right, temperatures down about 5 degrees across the board today from where they were yesterday. Slowly coming back down from those record type high temperatures we had last weekend. Still well above average out there today. 64 in Flagstaff, 54 the average for this time of year. 74 the record set back in recent memory, 2011. Very mild overnight at 42 last night with the wind blowing. Perfect example. When the wind blows, the cool air just doesn't settle to the ground. Wind keeps it all well mixed so we don't get those cold overnight temperatures. Today's highs, as I mentioned, right around 5 degrees or so, less warm than yesterday. 75 Sedona, Prescott at 72, 73 in Payson, 78 in Winslow, Page 77 degrees. A windy day out there today, getting into this kind of spring season, which spring and wind go hand in hand. And to answer Bonnie's question, is it going to stick around? Well, yeah, it's going to be here at least through tomorrow. We have some more windy days in the extended forecast. It's a very weak trough of low pressure moving through the western United States, and there's an associated cold front that's just sagging right across northern Arizona. No moisture is associated with the storm system or any moisture in the lower levels to produce any type of precipitation. This is just some high-level cloudiness you see along with this cold front. Tomorrow throughout the day, this cold front's going to sag through the state. A very windy day in store tomorrow. Temperatures will come down another 5-8 degrees or so. So it'll be a chilly wind out there tomorrow, and it'll be even windier than we were today. Winds gusting today up around 35 miles per hour. I think tomorrow we see winds gusting around 45 miles per hour, still out of the west, southwest. Then we get into Friday a little bit cooler as we turn to a northeasterly breeze. And then late in the weekend, we're going to turn windy again, it looks like, as we get towards Easter. Okay, so for tomorrow, we do have our first red flag warnings of the year, and for those of you who are maybe new to Arizona, northern Arizona, red flag warnings issued from the National Weather Service when there's critical fire weather conditions. That means that the wind is howling, there's low relative humidities, and there's very dry fuels in the forests in this area. So we have red flag warning for, if there was a wildfire to break out, it would be explosive fire growth potential. And this is just to the east of Flagstaff for eastern Coconino County, Navajo, and Apache counties, down into southeastern Arizona as well. In Flagstaff, we're still under a wind advisory, and that's just basically saying the wind's going to be howling. Secure any loose objects around your house. High-profile vehicles traveling across I-40 will definitely be getting blown around a little with some very strong wind out there tomorrow. So definitely be careful with fire tomorrow. Okay, 59 degrees is our current temperature right now. It's mostly sunny, and the wind is gusting to 18 miles per hour. We're going to remain breezy overnight tonight, so we'll go with another mild night at 38 degrees, sunset 6:48. Tomorrow, winds sustained out of the southwest, 20 to 30, gusting up to 45 miles per hour, 58 degrees, our forecast high temperature. So a bit on the chilly side for us across northern Arizona tomorrow. Here's a look at some other temperatures. 69 in Payson, 77 Winslow, 68 degrees up in Tuba City. And we'll probably be seeing some blowing dust out here on the Navajo Nation and up towards Hopi as well. Navajo and Apache counties with the strong winds. So beware of that. And the extended forecast for us here, they were a bit cooler. Just a degree or two on Friday. We're out of the wind for a minute. 64, mild day on Saturday. Easter Sunday, it looks like the wind picks up another kind of spring front moving through the region. Wind possibly going right into early next week. And for you down in Sedona, low 70s, windy tomorrow. And then a couple nice days. And it looks like the wind, unfortunately, does pick up for, Easter egg hunts.